Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I received some happy mail today. This is Love From Lizi's July 2019 card kit. And look at how lovely this is. So let me go ahead and show you everything that is included. This month's kit includes 2 bags. It has the A4 bag with all of the paper and stamps, and then also the embellishment bag. So we'll go ahead and start with the A4 bag. This month there are 7 sheets of cardstock, and these are all 8.5 by 11. So there's a pink, kind of a fuchsia pink, a mint green, a cream, and then a yellow. And then this month there are 2 sheets of the Copic friendly, alcohol friendly white paper. And then the specialty paper is really fun. So there's this sheet of vellum, and it has all of these little limes printed on there. So that's a full 8.5 by 11 sheet. And then there's also a piece of acetate, and it has all of these diagonal stripes, and then one side has silver stripes, and if you flip it over, the other side is gold. It's really pretty. And I am going to put that underneath the vellum because it is reflecting so much with my overhead lights. And then this month, the paper is all Love From Lizi. In fact, this whole kit is exclusive Love From Lizi products. So you're going to receive a 6x6 paper pad. There are 20 sheets. 5 of the sheets have a pearlescent effect, and I'm trying to pick that up with my overhead lights, but it's kind of hard to tell. So it's these first 5 sheets have the pearlescent, and then the rest of them are just regular single-sided designs. And they are just bright and cheerful, lots of summer designs, fruit designs. I love these florals and the chevrons. And a lot of them have like sort of a paint splatter look on the background. It's beautiful colors. I'm so excited to get to use these. And they're a nice weight. They have a good heavyweight feel to them. They're not a super thin paper. And of course, I love all of the pink, but there are a bunch of other colors included in this paper collection as well. But look at that pineapple with that beautiful pink background. So fun. This is the stamp set that's included. It has all of these sweet little girls and their little bikinis and swimsuits, and then some fruit, and then some really fun summer sentiments. And the peel-offs this month are just beautiful. It's Mauve Moon Dust. So it kind of has a look of glitter. So it's kind of a pink, sort of a purple color. That's a brand new color that Lizi has just introduced. So now I'm going to move on to the embellishment bag. So this month we have coordinating dies that will go perfectly with the stamp set. You'll have the little outline for the girls and also all of the little fruit. And then there's another die. This one has the sentiment Aloha, and then also has the outline for the word. So I've gone ahead and cut it out so you can see what that looks like. Really lovely font. And then this month there is a sheet of enamel dots, and these match just beautifully with the whole paper collection. So there isn't any Nuvo drops this time because Lizi decided to use the enamel dots. And then there is a sheet of epoxy stickers, and these are all sentiments, and they are see-through, and they have a nice weight to them and a little bit of thickness. And I love that there's the 2 different sizes. So it has the same sentiment in a bigger size and then also the smaller size. And then here's a really fun item. So these are tassels. So they're kind of large, but I think they would be really fun to cut apart, or you could use them on maybe a mixed media project instead. But they're really bright, vivid colors, perfect for summer. And then there are also 3 rolls of washi tape. So the widest roll has fruit and flowers on it. And then there's a thin foil with a pink, kind of a magenta, and then the gold glitter. And I just love this month's sequin mix. So this is the Rainbow Wishes, which was in the January kit, I believe. But it has these little tiny pieces of fruit included just to go with the whole summer fruit theme. And then the last item, well, almost the last item, is the ephemera pack. And there's so much ephemera in here. And these are the same designs that are on the stamp set, but these are perfect because they're already colored and they have a nice weight to them. So you can easily just pop those on a card along with your pattern paper, and it's finished and it'll look amazing. So look at all of these super fun designs. Lots of florals and little leaves. There's quite a few of the little girls colored, and I love that they did them in different hair colors and skin tones. So really nice variety. So I'm trying to go through these fairly quickly. Many of the pieces have sort of a glitter look. There's no glitter on them, but they printed it to look like it is glitter. So that's a lot of fun as well. Some of the ephemera pieces feature this same little girl, but I love how they changed it up, either a different hair color, skin color, sometimes they're holding a different item. So there's just so much variety in all of these pieces. And there are a lot of these little tiny flowers, so those would be nice. You could form a little wreath, or you could put them in the corner of your card. And then look at this fabulous last piece, this adorable little camper. And because there is so much ephemera in the kit, Lizi did include a full sheet of foam dimensional squares. So that is everything that is included in the July 2019 card kit. And of course, I did get a few add-ons. There are 2 add-on stamp sets for this month. The first stamp set is called Summer Girl, and then this is the Summer Loving. So if you really like that little camper, you'll want to pick up this stamp set because it's so cute, and I think even I could handle coloring that little camper. And then here is this month's peel-off selection pack. So there's 4 different sheets of peel-offs. I believe this pack may already be sold out, but I will add a link in case Lizi does restock that one. Then I also have 5 embossing powders to show. First is a neon grapefruit, and this is a very bright color. So I'm trying to show it. I'm not sure how well that color is really coming across with my lights. Next is cherry red. So this is a really nice red. There's another really bright one. This is neon lime. Next is peony purple, and it does look quite similar on the video to that neon grapefruit, but it is a darker color. And then the last one is neon lemon. So lots of fun, bright new embossing powders. And then this month, Lizi has released a brand new style of peel-offs. So these are really exciting. This is the Bubbles peel-off. So as usual, they do come in 3 different widths, but these peel-offs have different options. So it has a little ring of circles that go all the way down, and these are all connected. So when you peel those up, so you can see through those. And then you'll also have the little dots behind that you could add to your cards, a little bit of embellishment. And then the little strip between all of the bubbles would be perfect for a border on the card, maybe around a sentiment or an image. So really fun. So there's the mere teal, a mere purple, the mere red, the mere green. This is mere gold. There's the mirror silver, there's a black, and then white. And white, if you didn't know, you can actually color with Copic markers. There's a nice light pink. So next up is an ice blue mirror. This is mere apple, and then just a gold and then a silver. So lots of new colors. I'm so excited to try these out. And then finally, I did pick up the 2 bundles of specialty paper. So this one is the Mirror and Matte bundle, and I'm trying to show these, but my overhead lights are just horrible with all of the reflection, but they're always a great purchase. And then the last one is the glitter cardstock bundle. So this has a nice variety of very summery colors that'll go beautifully with the paper collection. So there it is, the Love From Lizi July 2019 card kit, along with some of the add-ons that I picked up. This is a monthly kit, and her kits tend to sell out very quickly. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting, especially with this being an all-exclusive Love From Lizi kit. The last one she had was in September, and it sold out so fast. I will have links in the description box for all of the items I just showed. And if you stay tuned to my channel, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this kit very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.